We out here today, boys. I'm out here with on lake fishing with the OG, giving out lessons.
Giving out free lessons.
Them boys slipping. Them boys ain't hit back. Hey, when the OG say he giving out free lessons, I'm going. I need to learn something.
Pounder. Or 2-pounder. Or 1.5-pounder. Your frying pan size.
He in the boat.
Frying pan size.
When the OG said he teaching, y'all better come on and listen.
Kev. There's water in there. What's in there?
Yeah, it's full. Webb on another one. Oh yeah, need a net.
You got it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right, I gotta get on the boards, man. I'm about to go. That's a big motherfucker too, Webb.
Oh yeah. Get into the boat. Dip him.
Big, Webb.
He was good 4 or 5 or 6, man. Catch it that drag, man. Let that drag roll.
God, he took me under that damn boat.
Told you before, you gotta be patient out here, man. Patient. They're here. They are here.
It's my devil named Carlin.
Here we go. Come on. He on a big Shirley. Good God Almighty.
About 3. They're good 3. Look at his stomach. Oh.
We on him now.
Open the tank up.
Way up fight one.
We got a double up. Yes.
Let's get it.
Yes.
Let's get it. I don't look like that.
Yes.
Got that double up. Lizzo.
Yes.
Right there. Lizzo.
Yes.
Ain't nobody come out here to get this lesson. They ain't come get this lesson today. That's how you do
live.
it, man.
Listen
He
up.
said he was giving out
Today,
lessons
we had
today.
a good day. We lost a couple fish. Lake fishing, we was in the middle off the stumps. We hit him on a worm, a black worm, and we hit them on a purple worm with a curly tail 10-inch worm. We hit them on this we hit them on this crankbait right here.
Show them what we hit it on.
This right here. It's a square bill. 3 to 6 feet. Guggen. You can't miss it. No, this is an H2O. Sorry about that. H2O. And they will hit it if you got the right technique and patience. You will hit them. Today at Lake Fisher has been a good day. I think we got about 10 fish. But
We got them.
We got them, but we missed some. But